What's up, guys? Welcome back for another quad vlog. I hope all you guys had a good week. I know I did. Today's video is a little different because we're actually out riding at night. It's a little past 8 o'clock right now, and usually, I don't know if you guys probably don't know, but usually I make my videos in the morning. Wait, what? Dude, that guy straight up went through a red light. Like, that light was so red. Dang. Alright. Anyways, my point was that usually I come out and ride during the morning/day, and there's not a lot of motorcycles, cars, and people out. So hopefully, now that it's Friday night, we might see some motorcycles and, you know, the night crowd out on the streets. Are these things? Are those like straight missile tubes or something? Like, honestly. So are these like actually like... I feel like those are totally like tubes for like missiles or something. That's weird. I don't want to sound like a fool, so if any of you guys actually know what those are, definitely leave them down below in the comments. But to me, I mean, they look like missile tubes to me. So the reason I didn't film a video in the morning/day was because it actually rained all last weekend, and I didn't get a chance to film a video for you guys. So now I'm out at night filming so I can upload Saturday. And what that means is I didn't get a chance to film a wheelie video like I told you guys I was gonna. So what I want to talk about in today's video, I've had a few comments on, well, actually more than a few comments on more than a few of my videos, but a lot of people want to know about the setup I use to MotoVlog, aka which mic I use and which camera I use. And I think a lot of people wonder about which mic and camera I use because my audio is fairly good. Like, not to brag or anything, but like my audio is fairly good, especially for filming with a really high cc single cylinder engine. If you try to film like a Raptor 700 or even like a YFC 450, specifically single cylinder engines, they really drone out the mic. So if you were to just, you know, put, you know, any old mic or just use your GoPro, the drone from the wind combined with the quad would just produce terrible audio. So I've actually kind of made my own kind of setup, just like most motovloggers do. But first off, I just want to quickly talk about the helmet I use. I use an Icon. I'm a fan of Icon. I have like three Icon helmets. I have 2 motorcycle helmets, one of which I'm using now. I have a black one, and then I also have an Icon like 4-wheeler helmet with, you know, like the ones you have to wear goggles with. So like I said, the helmet I'm wearing right now is an Icon Armada, and if you guys are trying to do anything with good audio, riding a motorcycle or a 4-wheeler, you really need to wear a full face helmet to get good audio. And of course that may seem a little bit obvious, but riding a quad, you kind of want to, you know, wear the correct helmet, and a full face helmet isn't necessarily, you know, the correct helmet to wear on a quad. I definitely like and enjoy wearing my other Icon motocross helmet with goggles way more when I ride the quad. This little dog? Let's go try to find him. I think they're trying to find a dog. Where did he go? Unfortunately, we lost the dog. That sucks. Oh, there he is. Oh, they got him. Alright, perfect. And of course, the most important thing I use is my camera. I use a GoPro Hero 4, just the standard edition. I don't really know if it's the black white. It's just the standard edition. No screen on it, nothing fancy. It does shoot in 4K, but I don't bother with that. I just stick to 1080p. It's fine. I shot a lot of my earlier videos on the Hero 3, and I definitely noticed a change, a really big change, I thought, in image quality versus the 3 and 4. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to ask, well, have you tried the 5 or the 6? And no, I have not tried the 5 or the 6, mainly because I don't like them. GoPro, the 5 is when GoPro changed the GoPro. First of all, I don't really like the adapter you have to get for the mic. For the 3 and 4, you still have to get an external mic adapter, but it's a lot smaller and less cumbersome than the 5 and 6s. The 5 and 6s is just too big and bulky, and I really don't like the cameras in general. In my opinion, the GoPro Hero 4 is the superior camera for MotoVlogging and stuff like that, just because of the audio issue. You really want good audio, and I've found that the GoPro Hero 4 does it the best. And of course, we can't forget the microphone. A lot of people have questions about which mic I use, because finding a good GoPro mic to do action videos, or, you know, actually get good audio from a GoPro and minimize wind noise and the droning of engines or stuff like that, it definitely takes some research to find a good mic and how to do it. So the mic I use is made by Sony. It's just a regular 3.5mm mic, and I'll throw it up on the screen because I don't remember the model number. I'll throw the picture up on the screen, and there'll be a link in the description for the mic. But it's a Sony microphone, and what I did was I wrapped it in some animal fur, fake animal fur from Walmart. And I forgot to mention, I tried 2 microphones before I found a good one. I've bought like 2 different ones off Amazon before I even started YouTube, and they both suck. They're just trash. I don't really understand why microphones are such a big issue with GoPros, but finding a good one definitely takes some time. Oh my gosh, I hate traffic. Honestly, I hate traffic so much. I don't know how you people do it that live in like LA, New York, big cities. I mean, I live in a city that has like 200,000 people in it, but you know, those cities that have millions of people that there's just traffic bumper to bumper, I would honestly just go insane. I've done some audio tests before and after I wrapped the mic in that animal fur, and the difference is definitely noticeable. The fur helps reduce, obviously, the wind noise and the drone of like engines. It especially helps with like when your mic moves in your helmet or when you breathe into it. That noise is definitely reduced a lot. So how I have my helmet set up is I have my GoPro attached to the bottom of my helmet. I have the adapter plugged into the GoPro. I had to drill a hole in the GoPro case for that external mic adapter. And then I have the cord routed up through my chin, and then just right in my cheek pad is where the leftover cord of the mic goes. So it's all in all pretty simple. I mean, you pretty much just stick the cam right on the helmet and put the rest of the cord in the cheek pad. And then I have the microphone routed right down by my chin. I found that picks up my voice as well as the quad the best. Whew. Dang. Stance boy, he's got this Honda Dragon on the ground. No offense, man, but I'm pretty sure your wheels are probably worth as much as the car. Actually, it looks like he's got like halfway decent suspension on that thing. I mean, I don't really, obviously I can't tell what brand it is, but I mean, he's got that thing done. It looks done right, but alright guys, I think this is where I'm going to end the video. Honestly, I can't see anything because I don't ride at night usually, and my visor's tinted. That's like a big mistake. I can't see anything. I hope you guys still enjoyed this video, even though I said it was going to be a wheelie video this weekend. I actually have to film that tomorrow to upload next weekend for you guys. So anyways, I will see you guys next Saturday for another quad vlog.